Hey there, urban warriors and nature lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of a secret revolution brewing right beneath our feet. Guerrilla gardening? Get ready to join the green movement as we unveil the hidden beauty sprouting up in April's concrete jungles. Imagine this amidst the hustle and bustle of city life. There lies a hidden oasis of greenery, a sanctuary born from the passion and dedication of guerrilla gardeners. These urban warriors are on a mission to transform neglected spaces into thriving havens of life and beauty. So, what exactly is guerrilla gardening? It's a grassroots movement where everyday people reclaim forgotten corners of their cities and turn them into vibrant gardens without asking for permission. It's about taking action, spreading joy, and cultivating resilience in the most unexpected places. From abandoned lots to roadside medians, guerrilla gardeners are breathing new life into urban landscapes, one seed bomb at a time. They're not waiting for someone else to do it. They're rolling up their sleeves and getting their hands dirty for the greater good. But why April, you may ask? Well, April is the perfect time to sow the seeds of change. As the world awakens from its winter slumber, these guerrilla gardeners are out in full force, ready to plant the seeds of hope and resilience in their communities. And the results? Oh, they speak for themselves. What once was barren and neglected now teems with life, colorful flowers, lush greenery, and buzzing pollinators painting a picture of urban paradise. But guerrilla gardening is more than just planting flowers. It's a symbol of resilience, community, and empowerment. It's about reclaiming our shared spaces and making them truly our own. So, whether you have a backyard or just a windowsill, there's a place for you in this green revolution. So, are you ready to join the revolution? Grab your gardening gloves, pack some seeds, and let's sow the seeds of change together. Together, we can transform April's urban jungle into a thriving oasis of life and beauty. So, are you ready to join the revolution? Grab your gardening gloves, pack some seeds, and let's sow the seeds of change together. Together, we can transform April's urban jungle into a thriving oasis of life and beauty.